Hoorah! My name is Tyrone Harmon, and I am a Master's in Computer Science student, but today I'm doing something a little bit different. So we're going to explore Faculty Research Day, and we're going to approach faculty and ask, can you explain your research in 30 seconds or less? Are you ready? Let's rock! We're here, Tyrone Harmon and
Warren Brander.
And Warren, we're gonna play a quick game. I want you to explain your research in 30 seconds.
All right, not going to be easy.
All right, 1, 2, and a 3.
Well, you imagine Chuck Berry becoming the president of his country. You imagine Chuck Berry being a Harvard-educated lawyer. You imagine Chuck Berry being the John Lennon of this country. For 10 years, Rollerblades wrote the best salsa, became a lawyer, a great actor, the minister of tourism, and then, at the end of his career, a rapper. That's right. Wrap it up, baby.
All right, can you give me your best Chuck Berry impression?
Maybelline, why can't you be true? Why can't you do the things that I want to do? Thank you.
And can you dance salsa too?
Yes, I can.
All right, let's go.
Now with you.
He deserves some sunglasses. Give him some swag. All right.
So our research looks to answer, should gay and bisexual men be allowed to donate blood? The short answer is yes. And previously, gay and bisexual men weren't allowed to donate blood. Now that policy has been reduced to, sure, you can donate blood as long as you haven't had sex for 12 months. So we want to know, is that valid? Is that policy valid?
Did you get that? And I think that deserves some swag. That was pretty good. Yeah, thank you very much. Now, the real question is, does he wear it better or do I wear it better?
So my research involves the use of hair proteins called keratins. Keratins are used in different applications, implantation, drug delivery, basically to repair damaged body structures. Okay, so however, in order for us to know its properties, we need to define its basic constituents such as molecular weight, etc. There is a particular value called D, which is
I'm gonna be honest, you lost me there for a second.
Okay.
I need you to know one thing and one thing real quick. There's a word right here that's completely blowing my mind. Is it biomacromolecules? Can you say this for me?
biomacromolecules.
One time together, ready?
Biomacromolecules.
In 3, 2, 1.
Alright, so when you think about venomous animals, you're mostly thinking about snakes, maybe spiders, but snails can actually be venomous. And I study venomous snails. And what I'm doing with these snails is I'm looking at their venom and I'm using things like bioinformatics and machine learning, which are all computer-based tools. And I'm using those to look through the venoms to see if there are toxins within the venom that I can develop into drugs.
Whoa. Oh, whoa. Okay. That actually was way better than I thought. That was really good.
My research is about military obligation. What makes people have to, obliged to, take up arms for the state at a time when England did not have a standing army. So I look at laws and I look at all kinds of documents produced by the state, and in order to figure out what people's rights and responsibilities are. But those don't tell the whole story. So the cool thing is I get the rest of the story from English literature, English drama, works by Shakespeare, lots of other dramatists. That's the key to understanding obligation in the 16th century.
So, I just want to know, can you do like a quick Shakespearean citation? Intro to drama class.
Yeah, well, I'm not an actress, and though I study drama, I'm not good at delivering Shakespearean lines.
Can I try one?
Sure.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
To be or not to be? That is the question. And that is all she wrote. If you would like to learn more, I know I do, just real quick, visit hofstra.edu/faculty research for all the fun facts and quick education.